So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can install Notion on your Mac. So first of all, open the Safari browser on your Mac. Now here search for Notion, download. Now here you will see this first link which says Notion desktop app for Mac and Windows. Click on it. Now here click on download for macOS. Click on allow. Now once you do this, this will download Notion on your Mac. Now as you can see here, the download is being processed. So wait until the app downloads. Now once the app is downloaded, click on it. Now you will see the installer. Now here, drag Notion to application folders like this. And this will install Notion on your Mac. To run it, first of all, close the installer. Now click on Launchpad. Now as you can see here, Notion is installed. To open it, click on it. And this launches Notion on Mac. Now you can sign into your account and start using the app. So this is how you can download and install Notion on your Mac. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.